Let's find the value of n in this equation. Solution. We are given here 3 raised to power n multiplied by 3 raised to power 2n, 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power n is equals to 21. Since 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 9. Okay, then a raised to power m raised to power n is same as a raised to power m times n. So this 3 we are going to have 3 raised to power n multiplied by 2 times n will give us 3 raised to power 2n. Okay, this will give us 21. Good. Similarly, when you have y raised to power n multiplied by y raised to power n, it will be y raised to power n plus n. So let's apply it here since they have the same base. Can have 3 raised to power n plus 2n. This will give me 21. Okay, so that I can have 3 raised to power n plus 2n is 3n. So n plus 2n is 3n. This is equals to 21. So we are going to take the log of both sides. So when we take the log of both sides, you have log 3 raised to power 3n is equals to log 21. Okay, when you have log y raised to power m, this will give you m log y. If we apply it here, we can have 3n log 3 is equals to log 21. To find n, let's divide through by log 3. Okay, let's divide through by log 3. I will have 3n divided by log 3. This will give us log 21 divided by log 3. So that this log 3 can go. Okay, this log 21 and the log 3 is same as log 7 multiplied by 3 or divided by log 3. Okay, so we are having 3n here. N is equals to which we have log bracket 7 multiplied by 3 divided by log 3. From logarithm, where you have log y multiplied by t, this will give you log y plus log t. Okay, if you apply it here, you have 3n is equal to log 7 plus log 3 all divided by log 3. This is same as log 7 divided by log 3 plus log 3 over log 3. Okay, remember everything is equal to 3n. From here, this can now cancel, which will give us 1. So I can have 3n is equals to log 7 divided by log 3 plus 1. Good. From change of base, I can now have that log y divided by log z is equals to log y base z. So this will now be log 7 base 3. Can now have 3n is equal to log 7 base 3 plus 1. Then we want to find the value of n. So we are going to divide through by 3. Good. So I will have here 3n divided by 3 is equals to log 7 base 3 plus 1, all divided by 3. Okay, all divided by 3. So that this can now cancel. I will have therefore n is equals to 1 plus log 7 base 3 all divided by 3. Good. So this is the value of n. Now we are going to check if this is true. Okay. Check it. We are given 3 raised to power n multiplied by 9 raised to power n equals 21, which we expressed as 3 raised to power 3n equals 21. But our n is all in log 7 base 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So let's substitute. Substituting, I will have 3 raised to power 3 all bracket. Now log 7 base 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, will it give us this 21? So if you observe here, this 3 can now cancel. I will have 3 log 7 base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1. Will it give us 21? Recall that p raised to power x plus y is same as p raised to power x multiplied by p raised to power y. Okay, so this expression here now is in this form. Okay, but here now is in this form. Good. So 3 raised to power log 7 base 3. Since there is same base here, it will be 7 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 is 3. Is it equal to 21? Yes. Therefore, 21 is equals to 21. This is our right hand side, and we have here as left hand side. Therefore, the value of n is equals to log 7 base 3 plus 1 all divided by 3. This is correct. Alright, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like. For more lessons, please check my previous Olympiad math class, calculus, and other general mathematics. Remember what I have done. Just go through it once again. If you have any question, please share it in the comment section. Wait for next episode. Alright, thank you.